tryna find you right now. Oh, send me your location. I'ma make you scream my name.
Poppin' y'all. It's your girl Dineo, aka Miss You. And welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a glam transformation, like a get ready with me glam transformation shanties. Like, she wants a different face. She wants a lekker transformation. Today I'm gonna be Dineo, tomorrow I'm gonna be Charlene. Shout out to Charlene. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a glam transformation. I don't have a plan for what I'm gonna be doing on my face today, but she knows she wants to be a different person. Keep me glowy like a dashi. So I was thinking of doing like a mixture of me doing my hair and then my makeup, but then the thing, my hare is stubborn. Word I literally have to flip and fight with my hair. So for me to do that on camera is gonna be very dangerous. So I did my hair. I really like how it turned out. So guys, I've already prepped my skin. I've moisturized and primed my skin, but I will leave the products in the description box down below. Okay? So I don't know, should I start with the eyes or should I start with the face? I don't even know. I think I should start with the eyes. Where's my concealer? Where's my concealer? But anyway, I'm gonna be using my LA Girl HD Pro Concealer in medium beige. And I'm gonna be applying this on my eyelid. You know what's annoying about filming a video for YouTube is that you can't play music and jam out. But when I'm filming for Instagram, it's like I can jam out, have a vibe. Okay, it's gonna be so much fun. But anyway, I'm gonna be taking a baby beauty blender. So cute! And I'm gonna be blending in the concealer. Okay, so now that I have that done, I'm not gonna be setting my concealer because I want the colors to come out like yes girl. Guys, to be honest with you, I don't know what I'm gonna do on the eyes. I don't know, but we're gonna try, okay? So I'm gonna be taking my favorite palettes. Guys, I know I've been showing this palette everywhere, but I just love it. Like, it has all the shades that I usually use on a day-to-day basis, and I don't know, I just love this palette. So yeah, I'm gonna be using it. Okay, y'all can't tell me nothing. But I'm gonna be starting off with this orange shade. I always start with this shade because it's like the perfect transition color. Did I just say transition or transition? I don't know. So I'm applying this onto my crease. And I'm gonna be sure to pack on the product and blend. Mom is the cutest. She's the cutest person in the world. I just showed her Insta story that I just posted, and she's like, how's this busy product? How's this busy product? And I'm like, Mom, that's an Instagram like mini tutorial. She's like, okay, so who's those best? I was like, Mom, she's so cute. I fucking love her. Anyway, so I just blended this into my crease, and now I'm gonna be taking this brush right here, and I'm gonna be taking, I think I'm gonna take this shade right next to it, and I'm gonna apply that like in the crease, like directly inside. Ah! This went into my eye. Come on, guys. So basically, I'm just carving out my crease right now. Like, I want it to be super duper defined. Oh guys, this thing went into my eye. Yo, now my eye's gonna be red. But yeah, I'm just applying this into my crease. Wow, that looks nice, doesn't it? That looks nice. Die lijkt so prachtig. Yes, girl. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna carve out my inner corner using my concealer again. Nee man. And that's, guys, Afrikaans. I don't know what's happening. I just started speaking Afrikaans, and I'm not even that good at Afrikaans. Like, nee man, meisie kent. Yes, no, my scoff. I swear, I'm the worst at speaking Afrikaans. But anyway, I'm gonna be taking my brush and I'm going to just apply that into my, like this. Listen, this is what it is, okay? Luister, okay? Hi guys. En dan van ben begin kyk net die Afrikaans. Dit gaan out of my mouth. So pragtig. Ek weet nie wat om te doen nie. Ek weet nie.
Tell me where you at, I'm trying to find you right now. Oh, send me your location. I'ma make you scream my name, baby, just be patient. I see you been waiting, you ain't gotta wait no more. I see you been craving, but baby, just calm down. I'll come through when the sun down. We ain't gotta rush now. Let me tell you a little something. Without you, I'm nothing. No cap, no
Guys, I don't know if I should. I'm thinking of putting like pink in the inner corner, or like I should do gold. I don't know. If I tried pink, that's definitely different and out of my comfort zone. I don't know. Okay, let's give it a try, okay? If it doesn't look nice, we're quitting YouTube.
Tell me where you at, I'm trying to find you right now. Oh, send me your location. I'ma make you scream my name, baby, just be patient. I'ma hold you down right now. Tell me
I'm gonna take that shade again into my outer corner. Actually, no, let's take this dark shade. This one. And apply into the outer corner of the eye. Guys, I was actually filming myself concealing my face. Scanty, I didn't hit record again. But anyway, finally got these lashes on. It was a struggle, but the mission is complete. So now, I told you guys that I've already prepped and primed my face. So I'm gonna move on to color correcting. So basically, I'm gonna be using my Foschini Perfect palette, but I'm gonna be using the orange corrector. I don't apply too much color corrector underneath my eyes because it is a creamy product and it could lead to creasing. So I just apply just a subtle amount. So now that we're done correcting our face, I'm gonna start using my favorite foundation. This is the Maybelline New York Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm in the shade 60 Caramel. And I'm gonna literally put it on like them Instagram girls. Ooh. We want full coverage, baby. Full coverage. So I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques buffing brush, and I'm going to buff everything in.
They can take my life, but they can never take my boo. Because you make me feel so good by myself. When I see you, I get goosebumps and my heart melts. It's probably your love and your beauty is power.
I'm going to be taking my favorite powder. This is the Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder in Banana. Banana or banana? I don't know. Then I did take my Aligo gel liner and just lined, you know, on my waterline. What else do I need to do now? Oh, I'm gonna highlight, but I don't know. I'm gonna be going back to my palette again, and I'm gonna take this, oh no, this shade right here. I'm just gonna highlight. I don't know, these days I've just not been into highlight that much, which is crazy. But I'm gonna highlight on all the typical highlight spots, guys.
I don't wanna talk, let's make it function. Baby, run it. I swear I can feel it coming. Tell me if you feel it coming. Baby, I'ma hold you down. Baby, when I pull up, cut the lights out.
Okay guys, so I've set my face. I don't think there's anything else that needs to be done. I think since it's a pink eye, I'm gonna be going for like just gloss and just call it a day, mate. I love lip gloss, like I love it. And this lip gloss is by Essence and is in Behind the Scenes. It's like the clear one. It looks so good. Guys, I think I really did that, hey? Wow. I look different from like the beginning to now. It's a look. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. I did this. Yo, hi Chama. Wow guys, I'm really loving this look. If you guys like it, be sure to give me a like so that more people can get to see this look. I know seven that's my guys, like, so please be sure to like. Please be sure to also subscribe if you haven't done so already. Your girl's trying to grow, and be sure to click on the notification bell as well so that YouTube notifies you every time I upload a video. You don't want to forget this face, okay? Be sure to follow me on my Instagram at MissEffortless_beauty. If you guys want to see what I do on a day-to-day basis. More active than I've ever been on my Instagram, so please be sure to follow me on there and show some love. Oh, please be sure to also comment down below what was your favorite part of this makeup look, this transformation. What was your favorite part? Oh, what's your favorite part of doing your makeup? Is it blending in your concealer? Is it contouring your face so you look like... Let me know in the comment section down below. And what else? And yeah, that's pretty much all for me, guys. Guys, I'm getting distracted by myself. I don't even know what to look in the mirror and the viewfinder in there. I just can't, like, okay? So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you so much, and I appreciate the love and support that you guys give me. Thank you. Be sure to share the video so that more people get to see the video. It's your girl, Missy B. Remember, at all times, that no matter people say or do, you are beautiful. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Remember, at all times, that no matter people say or do, you are effortlessly beautiful. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.